What's going on, guys? Today I will be doing another unboxing and installation video for my Jeep JK. I will be installing some new tail lights. They're going to be the JL conversion kit for my JK. So this is the box that it comes in. This is from American Modified, so shout out to them. This is for the tail lights. I'm not entirely sure what this box is right here, but I'm gonna open it and find out. This is an American Modified decal sticker. I'll hold it up so you can see it. So shout out to them for sending some decals. I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing for the tail lights. So here's the JL tail light. Comes with the wiring and the resistors. And also it has lettering on the bottom for right and left. This is for the right. Here's the left one. Also comes with brackets for the resistors. And also this is the reverse light as well. That goes right here, and it has a wiring harness that attaches to the back. Now to start this installation, you need to first take off the stock or whatever tail light you have. You need to take that off first. And by doing that, you will remove the inner screws right here. And it should be a Phillips head. Now once the screws are out, you should just be able to push in and pull out. There will be a wiring harness right here. There's a clip at the bottom, just push it in and it pops off. Now, the installation for the new tail light, I would say first go ahead and put the bracket onto this right here. And it does come with 2 bolts and 2 nuts as well. And you will need a 732 socket to tighten it down, along with a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, once this bracket is on here, nice and tight, you're going to take these black clips right here and put them on the other side of the bracket. And do this as such. So, to actually mount this tail light, you will need to loosen these 2 screws right here, and that will loosen this bracket right here. It will be a, I believe, 3/16 size Allen wrench. Yes. Okay, first I'm going to put in the brake light. It's got these 4 tabs that snap into these 4 corners right here. First, before you push this in, pull the wires through and go ahead and attach that. Just like that, right here. Now don't push these piece in yet because you need to screw these 2 bolts tight once you get this bracket into the back of the Jeep. But before you do that, you need to clip this to the inside of the taillight housing, and then you need to attach this to the wire harness. Right now I'll show you the best spot to put this is right here, and attach it to the side right here. Now that my bracket's loose, let me grab my Allen wrench. Now that bracket's loose, it should fit. You're going to push left first, make sure it's lined up. Push left and tighten these down. Push that in, and that concludes the taillight installation. For the left side, you do the same exact thing, just on the left side. Here a little bit, once it gets dark, I'll test the brightness and test all the features of the taillights. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And once it's all said and done, this is the finished product. So shout out to American Modified for sending these taillights. I love the smoked look. It should take you about 30 minutes to an hour to install these. Alright guys, so I got them installed, and now I'm going to show you what they look like when the signals are on and the reverse light. Go ahead. Alright, and that concludes this video.